Okay, search insert position. So given a sorted array and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. And this is a good information. You may assume no duplicates in the array. So in this example, 5 already exists and the index of it is 2, so they return 2. And in this example, 2 does not exist and it should be inserted after the 1 and before the 3, so the index is 1. And here 7, this is these two edge cases we need to handle. These two are easy, the first two cases, but this is the edge cases, sorry. This one is when the element is bigger than the maximum number in the array, since it's sorted. So this is 4, you will insert it at the last element, at the last position. And this is where it's the lesser than everything, so you need to insert it at the position 0. So to start, I'll create a variable called res equal to 0. I will assume it's 0 by default. So this is handling this case, or it's starting to handle this case. So I will loop through each number. I will use the index, the number and the index, and I will just check if n equal to target. So just return so res will be equal to I, and then just return I. So this return res. So this handles this case where we found the element, and else if the target is bigger than in the current element and target is less than the next element to the n, which is the nums of I plus 1. But okay, so now res will be equal to I plus 1, and this handles this case, so 2 between these two numbers, and you just return the index for the biggest number, which is 2 in this case. 1, the index is 1. But this does not handle this case where you need to insert at the end of the element. In this case, this condition will fail. So target is bigger than the n, which is correct. It's bigger than 6, but target is not less than the next element, which is undefined. So you just need to handle this case. So target is less than the next element, or target, or the next element is not equal to undefined. Is equal to undefined. So if that's the case, so let me just try to format it like this. If that is the case, just res equal I plus 1. So let's try to run it. Should be fine. Submit. Yeah. So it got submitted.